In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit section icon in Revit. So as you can see here, I have one section icon over here, and this is what we're going to edit or change right now. So just find the one you would like to change or edit, and then you want to simply click and select your section line, and then you want to go to edit type over here under properties. Now the point of this is to actually know what the section tag is called. In my case, it's going to be section head filled, okay? So make sure you actually remember this. In many cases, it's going to be called the same thing you can see on my screen over here, but for you it could be different. So make sure you double check this because it's going to be very important in finding it in our next step. So section head filled, that's going to be it. Then you want to go to your project browser and you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and then here you have families. So you want to click on the plus button next to families, and then you want to click on the plus button next to annotation symbols, and you want to scroll down. Now this is alphabetical, so we're going to find this one under S over here. So it should be somewhere here. There we go. Section head filled. That's the one. I'm going to click on it, right click, and then click on edit. When you click on edit, it's going to open a new tab, and this is now our section icon. So from here, you can just customize it however you want. I'm going to slightly edit this to make it look a bit fancier. I'm just going to leave it like that, delete these parts over here, and I'm actually going to use kind of these shapes, and I'm going to move them up here to make it look kind of a bit more fancy. Now again, you can do whatever you want over here. I'll just leave it like this, even though it may not make sense practically. I'll just put it like that because I'm not here to waste your time. You can customize it yourself. Then whenever you're done with your labels and stuff like that, you can just go and click on load into project and close up top. And when it says, do you want to save, click on no. But then over here, when this loads in, it's going to ask you if you want to overwrite. Click on the bottom one over here, which says override the existing version and its parameter values. And when you do this, there we go. As you can see, we now have our custom section icon, which we have edited. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.